What is up, guys? Today we kind of don't have anything car related going on, but I've got a nice little package here that I kind of just wanted to show you guys. So let's see if I can open it real quick. Open that up. You guys ready? You guys ain't ready. You guys ain't even ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, what is that, you say? Boom. It's a Galaxy S9 Plus. Let me make sure you guys can't see none of the details on there, but yeah, this is actually in the coral blue. I usually get black, but I was like, what? They have a Subi blue, World Rally blue? Let's check it out. So let's go ahead and pop that right off. Oh, there's a little sticker on the side. Go ahead and take that off. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Oh, there we go. Oh, are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. Let's pop this little thing off. Yada yada yada. Oh yeah, all that good stuff that nobody reads. And here's what we want. Boom. Here is the phone itself. Ooh, check out that color though. Damn, pretty nice color. So yeah, like I said, oh, check out those bezels. Nice and clean. I kind of like this blue. I already love it. But yeah, like I said, I usually get black on my phones. This time I decided to get blue, and it's a really nice blue. But let's put that off to the side and see what else comes in the box. Boom, charger, fast charger, whatever. Little file transfer thing, and charging cable, and your AKG earbuds. Nothing fancy, standard earbuds, and with replacement earbuds. And anything else? Looks like that's it. Yep, that looks like it's about it. So there you guys go. Quick little unboxing. Should we do a little startup? Alright, let's see if it has enough juice to do a startup. Oh, there it goes. Oh, check out that color. Clean. Oh, obviously it's a T-Mobile phone. Damn, look at those bezels though. You barely even see the edge. Oh, well, hello. Do you speak back? No, she doesn't speak back. Well, we'll go ahead and start. Skip. Oh, well, anyways. I still gotta do all that setup and everything. But there you guys go. Quick little unboxing. Almost dropped you guys. Quick little unboxing. Galaxy S9 Plus. And that's pretty much all you get in the box. Not car related, but maybe I'll make some sick edits using this one. We'll see how it works. Man, you know what? Actually, I'll add a sick edit with this phone, so you guys can kind of get the quality of like the videos and pictures and all that stuff. So I'll get a sick edit of the Subi after this is over, and hope you guys like it. And remember, subscribe, like, and catch you guys next time. Peace out.